Hey there, today we're going to look at how to restore missing file tabs in AutoCAD, so let's get started. First, go to the command line in AutoCAD, type OP and press enter. Over here, this opens the Options dialog box where display settings can be adjusted. Then, wait for the Options window to appear on your screen. After that, look through the available tabs inside the dialog box. Over here, click on the Display tab from the Options window. Then, this section contains settings related to your interface display. After that, look for the option called Display File Tabs. Then, check the box next to it if it is unchecked. Over here, make sure the Display File Tabs option is enabled properly. After that, this turns the file tabs back on. Then, click the Apply button at the bottom of the dialog box. Over here, this activates the changes you just made. After that, click OK to save the settings and close the window. Your file tabs should immediately appear at the top of AutoCAD. Over here, check your workspace and make sure the file tabs are visible again. After that, you can easily switch between multiple files. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.